Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on Odatejish TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones.
Sexy Poloo.
It's your wife says, forget to be a hey, kiss. Hey, that's all. Come on, Sexy Poloo.
As you know how I do it. I'm here to have fun.
Yes.
As always.
Oh, come on.
In the pain there.
You're
looking so pretty.
Thank you.
So pretty in green.
Thank you. Say again.
You're looking so pretty in green.
Thank you so much. It's my first time though.
Oh my goodness. You're so beautiful, baby girl. Oh. Is they kissing for me?
Did they pay you?
Come on, Papa. I love it.
Let's go. You how much?
Hey, so what's
My name is
when are you releasing anything? I know, when again. I beg the top people.
What Akuapem Poloo is wearing. You haven't changed your name, it's still Akuapem Poloo, right? So we're still here. It's Ghana Music Awards UK launch happening here at the Palm Royal Beach Hotel, and Akuapem Poloo is looking so fantastic. I love the green on the green. Who made this?
David's work.
Okay. Okay. Did you, decide that this is what you want to wear for the Ghana Music Awards UK launch?
Sure.
Okay. Tell us about your expectations. It's been 5 years of promoting Ghanaian music across the world, and today we're launching another one. What do you make of the whole Ghana music? Is this your first time? What are your expectations?
Actually, this is my first time coming for the nomination, and I feel so great. When they gave me the invite, I was like, whoa, I couldn't wait. I'm here to have fun, and I wish and pray my favorite ones get nominated.
It's been, I won't say that it's been a long year. It's been a couple of long months for you. And I just want to find out how you're doing. It's been back and forth. We had a press conference. Everybody knows the story. But how are you doing? How the aftermath? How's it going for you?
Okay, for now, because still my case is I wouldn't like to talk much about it. God's grace, I'm doing better.
Have you gone back to acting because that's what you know you for? You're still selling your honey. I just want to know what's really up with you.
Okay, yes, I've gone back to acting. I'm now with Kiera. We always go on set, and then my honey business continues. Okay. So, you heard Akuapem Poloo right there. She is doing just fine, and because of obviously the case is in court, she didn't talk much about it. But what do you wish to tell your fans out there? After the whole press conference and everything, some of the people haven't had the really opportunity to input from you. So to all those people, what do you fans, people supporting you here? First of all, I'd like to say a big thanks to them for standing by me when I was in trouble, signing the petitions for me, and all that they did for me. I really, really appreciate and I'm grateful for being there and supporting me. All that I want to say, they should keep on supporting me. And as I said earlier on, the case is still open, so they should pray for me.
Thank you so much, Poloo. We appreciate your time here. Dapper, beautiful. Dapper, I love the
No, he's not the way. Time I educated. Go.
Ghana Music Awards UK, we're here at the official launch of this announcement. Exodus Bill, prime time was the capital holder, the man. Yes, on the first. Nana disappointed dancer the second. Yo, bro. Let's start again. Freestyle. Oh, good. I don't know. Okay, let's go.
At the same occasion, hey, some Kame Wagelia. Your people watch out, go by the name Yalbert, and I want you to watch Field of Play. Mogo, yeah.
What's up?
Hello.
The next time I go buy a short, me tell me you. Same. Next time I go buy a short, I'm money. I'm going to camera.
The first time, and I don't think it's exactly before I go buy this. That's what we have to do. What's my money? I was here.
Sexy Poloo.
Enjoy.